Hello there. Today, April 13, 2021, we are going to use the previous vocabulary. Remember what we learned the last class? It was about animals and insects. So we are going to use those words in our sentences. And we are going to compare those animals. We are going to compare those insects in our sentences. But as usual, we are going to review the previous vocabulary. Remember, hippopotamus, gorilla, panda, butterfly, caterpillar, and bee. So as you can see, the previous class we learned these words: hippopotamus, gorilla, panda, butterfly, caterpillar, and bee. So as you can see, here are the pictures. So look, this insect. What is this? Look, its color. What is that? Exact butterfly. So look here, number 4, butterfly. Now look here, the butterfly can fly. Now look, this animal, it's bigger. What is that? What is that animal? It's a panda. A panda means? Of course, yes, you're right. It's a gorilla. Number 2, gorilla. Now this little insect, it's green and small. What is that? It's a caterpillar. Look here, number 5, caterpillar, caterpillar. Now what about this? Look, this is a bear, but look, it's white and black and it's sitting. Okay, here, what animal is this? It's a panda. Number 3, panda. Oh, look, like a Spanish, panda and gorilla. Okay, now what about this? This insect can fly like the butterfly, but it's not a butterfly. It's a bee. So bee, what number? That's right, number 6. And finally, here we have this animal. So it couldn't be a gorilla, not a panda, butterfly, caterpillar, no. And bee, no either. So here we have number 1, hippopotamus. A hippopotamus. So now we are going to use these words in our sentences. We are going to compare these animals and we are going to compare these insects. So using some adjective. Okay, let's see this. Look here, in this picture you can see a cow and in the other a hen. Remember, not a chicken, a hen. So here we have what animal is this? The cow is what? So we can use 2 adjectives, big or small. Big or small. In this case, what do you think? The cow is big or the cow is small? Of course, it's big if you compare this animal with the other. So the cow is bigger than the hen. So look here, it says bigger, bigger. But the teacher say big. So, well, in these sentences, we are comparing, these two animals. The first one, the cow, and the second one is the hen. So in order to compare, we use adjective. And in this case, we are using the adjective big. But when we use this adjective when comparing, we add the ER and we say bigger. The cow is bigger than the hen. So remember that we add the ER, bigger, bigger, okay? So another example. Now, in this case, look, are the same animals. Look here, the cow and the hen. And here, the hen and the cow. The only thing that changed in this part is the order. As you can see here, we start with a cow and then we continue with a hen. But in this case, we are going to start with a hen. So let's see this example. What animal? The hen is bigger. Hold on. It couldn't be bigger. No bigger. That's right. We must use another adjective. What is that adjective? The hen is smaller. Remember the big. What is the opposite of big? Is small. So the hen is smaller than the cow. So one more time. The hen is smaller than the cow. As you can see here in this little box, we have these two adjectives, big and small. But remember that here in this type of sentence, we are comparing these two animals. And when we compare, the adjective must be added, the ER. And we have bigger, smaller. Okay, good. So remember, the hen is smaller than the cow. Another example, here we have these two animals. Oh, this is easy. It's a panda, sorry. Of course, no, this is not a panda. It's an elephant. And here we have a mouse. So here we have the sentence. The cow, the hen, of course not. The elephant is what? Is bigger, is smaller. What do you think? That's right. The elephant is bigger than the mouse. The elephant is bigger than the mouse. So in this case, we must identify what adjective is what is the correct adjective to use in the sentences in order to describe the animal here. So here we know that the elephant is big. So we couldn't say the elephant is smaller than the mouse because it's incorrect. It is not, right? So one more time, remember here, we are using big and small, but we must conjugate here, remember, bigger and smaller. We are using this. So listen here. The elephant is bigger than the mouse. One more time, here we have the same animals are the same. Look here, the mouse and the elephant. So how will be our sentence here? The elephant Hold on, miss. It's incorrect. The mouse, because it's first. That's right, I'm sorry. The mouse is bigger. Bigger means you're making many mistakes today. Oh, I'm sorry, I must pay attention here. The mouse is smaller than the elephant. Than the elephant. The mouse is smaller than the elephant. So you can see these dots in order to remember, please. Remember that this is bigger, smaller. The mouse is smaller than the elephant. This is the comparative, but there is another, the superlative. Look here. In this case, here we have three animals, the elephant, the cow, and the mouse. So if we compare here, we can say that what is the biggest? Look here, the space is the biggest. As you can see, it doesn't say bigger, no, biggest. So it means that we are talking about the animal who is more than the others. So in this case, the what? The elephant. The elephant is the biggest. So one more time, the elephant is the biggest. Not the cow, not the mouse, the elephant. Good. So here we have another. Now you can see here the animals that we see, the butterfly, the caterpillar, and the bee. So for example, here we have the butterfly. The butterfly is bigger than the caterpillar. So this is bigger than the caterpillar. The butterfly is bigger than the caterpillar. Now, look at the second sentence, sentence number 2. Now, the caterpillar is bigger than the bee. So we are comparing these two insects, the caterpillar and the bee, not the butterfly, not anymore. In this case, in the second sentence, the caterpillar is bigger than the bee. So here we have, and the last one. In the last one, we are comparing the three one. It says, the butterfly is the biggest. The butterfly is the biggest. So here we have this one. Is the biggest from the other insects, well, that you are seeing here in your screen. So one more time, listen. The butterfly is bigger than the caterpillar. The caterpillar is bigger than the bee. And finally, the butterfly is the biggest. So pay close attention. Here says bigger, biggest, bigger, biggest. Okay? Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Please see this video as many times as possible in order to understand. Okay? Have a good day. See you the next class.